From child custody to a work injury lawsuit, if you need a judge to help with a legal issue, you might have to wait a long time. In some instances, maybe years. KPRC2's Zach Lashway explains how this impacts everyday people seeking justice.
Russell Bell enjoys a change of pace these days.
I'm more slower now, more cautious.
You don't take things for granted.
Not anymore. Yeah. Well, I could have been gone that Saturday.
That Saturday was November 7th, 2020. Bell, a carpenter, was injured on a build site in the Heights.
We was repairing a trash chute. We was repairing it because they hit it with the forklift. Someone didn't get the memo and dropped something down the trash chute, and it come down on me like that. I had 3 operations.
Bell sued the general contractor for negligence.
Mr. Bell was seriously injured.
His attorney, Joshua Lee, highlights a bigger issue.
We just don't have enough courts to handle the backlog of the cases that Harris County has to deal with.
The courts have had the same number of civil courts since 1983. Texas Office of Court Administration reveals a critical shortage of district courts in Harris County. There's a need for 25 additional courts. For now, the request is for 5.
Having enough courts and court officers to work those cases hasn't really kept pace with the growth.
Judge Latasha Lewis Payne is the administrative judge for the state district courts in Harris County.
So we need a growth in the number of judges that can serve a case from beginning to end. We need growth in where those judges are housed. So we need buildings and spaces.
The burden on everyday people impacted by this shortage of judges in courts, what does that look like? How does that impact Houston?
So the burden on litigants in courts, whether it's a minor or a victim of crime or however, is delay. And delay means that you are not able to move on with your life. You're not able to get that child custody matter resolved because they're just only a certain number of hours in the day.
This has been a long process.
Very long.
Delays.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
But
days. Too many delays. Yeah.
It took 4 years for Bell to reach a resolution. As for the courts, commissioners gave approval to add more courts. The next step is to get approval from the legislature. If you're concerned about this issue, reach out to your elected officials to support the passage of new courts in Harris County. I'm Zach Lashway, KPRC2 News.